Question number 1 for all. You have to type the answer. Remember, you have to type the answer. Don't do copy paste. The total words you will be getting is only 150. 150 words you have to type the answers. First question is, which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? You have to type the answer. Don't do copy paste. I will check manually the answers. If I found the copy paste answers, it will be wrong. First question, which property of a conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Total time left 1 minute 15 seconds. Only one answer I have got till now. Last 50 seconds. Which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Last 30 seconds. Last 5. Time's up. So I've got 3 answers. And the correct answer is low melting point. So let's see, let's check the answer. Low melting point, correct. The property of conducting electric wire is low melting point, correct. Melting fuse, what is this melting fuse? This will not be correct. So let's see the leaderboard. Only Parshva has got the correct answer. And who is this? Johanna. Let's move to the next. Unscramble the following words. No time limit is there. Take your time, unscramble the words. 4 words are there from this chapter which are scrambled. You have to unscramble these words. TBTAYER. Second, SFEU. Third, HTRCO. Fourth, HICWTS. Take your time. I will give last 1 minute warning. So you better take your time. Okay. Last 1 minute it will be shown on your screen. Now at present you just take your time. Unscramble the words from the chapter Electric Current and its Effect. Five answers I have got. So I am giving last 1 minute, sorry, 30 seconds. So here are the answers. The unscrambled word for the first one is battery. For the second one, it is fuse. For the third, it is torch. For the fourth, it is switch. Okay. Let's move to the next. Question number 2. This question will be of points. Okay. If you solve this question, you will get points. So here is the question. Why are CFL preferred over electric bulbs? Why we use more CFL instead of electric bulbs? Total time of 3 minutes you are having. Why are CFL compact fluorescent lamps preferred over electric bulbs? Total 2 minutes time you are left with. Last 75 seconds, 4 answers I have got. Last 1 minute. Total words you will get for every answer is 150 words. That is more than enough for 1 and 2 marks question. So you better type the question instead of copy paste because it contains more than 150 words and it will not give you whole correct answer. Okay, so better type your answer in your own words. Then only you will learn how to write the answers in exams also. CFL bulbs, electric bulbs. We use more CFL. Question is on that only, why we do that. So last 5 seconds. Time's up. I've got 7 answers. So the correct answer is CFL produce very less heat as compared to electric bulb. CFL do not waste electricity in form of heat energy. So let's check the answers. It consumes less electricity, correct. Because they work on chemical effect of electricity, no. They work on chemical effect of electricity, consume less energy, yes, correct. Because CFL produce more light than bulbs and also they don't have fuse which will broke out, it needs to be changed. So I don't think electric bulb के पास fuse होता होगा, उसके पास भी fuse नहीं होता. So this answer is wrong. They are preferred because they work on chemical effect of electricity, not on heating effect of electricity. So what is that chemical effect? Okay. What is that chemical effect? Simple answer is CFL produce very less heat. Simple. Less energy. Good. No. Means all have done the Google or Brainly. That is why your answers are not correct. So let's see the leaderboard. Only we have to write the precise answer. Okay. So here are the results. Parshva on top, Kalash second, others they have not given their correct name. Let's move to the next. Question number 3. Why is an electric fuse required in all electrical appliances? Total 3 minutes time you are having. Why an electric fuse is required in all electrical appliances? Simple short answers should be there. Okay, don't do the copy paste, write in your own words. What question has been asked, that only answer you will give. Okay, जो पूछा गया है हम वही बताएंगे, हम कोई थ्योरम नहीं बताएंगे. जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने बताया केमिकल इफेक्ट, दैट इज थ्योरम, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल. What is the exact answer? The exact answer is CFL do not produce more heat as compared to electric bulbs. Okay, electric bulbs produce more heat as compared to CFL bulbs. Okay. Last 2 minutes you all are having. Take your time, write your answers precisely. Ninety seconds left. Why electric fuse required in all electrical appliances? Last 20 seconds. Time's up. So let's see the answer. Okay, 11 answers I have got. The correct answer is to prevent large amount of current flowing through circuit so that circuit is broken and further damage should not be there. It prevents a short circuit due to high electric current. Very good. Because when electric heat is passed more than it's required, so it just got melt and protect from short circuit. Very good. Fuse is a protection device, react to the amount of heat produced by electricity. Good. They are used so as to protect wires and components from heat, not from heat, from high electricity. Heat is the form of electricity, effect of electricity. Electric fuse is safety device that break when current is overload. Very good. It is a safety device, helps in protecting excessive flow of current. Good. Don't worry, I am checking manually. Okay. First, it will be showing in or on your screen that answer is wrong, but I am checking manually. So the appliance didn't exceed their safe limit, and if they exceed, then the fuse will be broken out. Good. A fuse is needed in any electrical system AC/DC. These protection devices react to the amount of heat being produced by electricity passing through. So this is copy paste answer. It is clearly seen. वो ठीक से copy paste नहीं हो पाया because 150 words ही लेता है. So this answer I will not make it right. The protect device react on heating, not on heating, on excess flow of current. Okay. In case of emergency, fuse is a safety device. Now we cannot do the correct name. In next class you do that. So let's see the leaderboard. Parshva first, then Rishabh, Kalash, Devik, Jia. Moving to next. Question number 4. Again you have to type the answers. Can we use the same fuse in geyser and television? Yes or no? First answer will be yes or no, then full stop, after that explanation. Can we use the same fuse in geyser and television set? This is the answer will be yes or no. Then after that, after full stop, you will explain the reason. If you have written yes, what is the reason for that? If you have written no, what is the reason for that? Same fuse in geyser and TV set. 2 minutes time left. Can we use the same fuse in a geyser and a TV set? Explain your answer. Whether it is yes or no, you have to explain it. Last 30 seconds. Time's up. So let's see the answer. The answer is no, because geyser and TV set require different amount of current. Okay, the fuse that used in this will be of different rating. So let's check the answer. First answer, no, as the electric requirement of geyser and TV set is not same. Correct. No, as the geyser needs more electricity by the TV, therefore there are electricity powers change. So correct. No, because geyser required much. Correct. No, we cannot use the same fuse because geyser needs more electricity. Correct. No, we cannot use the same because. Correct. No, because geyser works on heating effect of electric current. Everything works on heating effect of electric current. Wrong. We cannot use the same fuse in geyser and TV set. Yes, correct. No, because fuse will break very fast. Okay, correct. Correct. No and yes without reason. So they will be marked as incorrect. So let's see the leaderboard. So this time many have answered. Parshva, Yashita, Rishabh, Kalash, Snuggles, Divyesh, Rishabh, Bhavya. Let's move to the next. Question number 5. More questions are there that will be not termed as question number. Why do we cover plug pin holes which are within reach of children with sellotape or plastic cover when not in use? Why do we cover the plug pins for the children when not in use? 2 minutes time you all are having. The result of this today's quiz with questions, result, everything which you are seeing on your screen in PDF form will be sent after the class today. Okay. I am not in class 7th group. I will send to some of the students. They will send to the group. Okay. So today's this session PDF will be sent to the group. Five answers I have got till now. Last 45 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 8 answers I have got. So let's see the answer. The correct answer is children may put their fingers into socket and get electric shock. So let's check the answers first. Correct, 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 correct. Because plastic and tape are insulator. I know that they are insulator. That's why they are kept. But the question is why we are keeping them out of children. One has written only because. So let's see the final leaderboard. Parshva has won the today's session. One more question for you all. This question does not contain points. Do you think electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap? You can type your answers. This question does not contain points. Take your time also. It is not having timer also. Do you think electromagnets can be used? So one has written yes. Only one answer I have got. More answers. One has written no because plastic bags are not made up of any metal nor it is a magnet. Very good. Third answer no, as plastic bag has no metallic quality, so electromagnets will not catch it. Very good. No, electromagnet will attract only metals substance, not plastic. NAD plastic bag. Correct your spelling. Not plastic bag is and not NAD, and plastic bag is non-metal. Very good. Any more answers? No, electromagnets attract only magnetic substances. Plastic bags are non-magnetic in nature and are not attracted by electromagnet. Very good. No, electromagnets attract only magnetic substance. Very good. So that's all for today.